Now y'all about to close?
Yeah, at 9, but we'll wait for you.
Okay. All right.
Do you know what you're having?
Yeah, I'll just get a coffee.
What do y'all have? I'm sorry. I don't know the menu. Where the menu?
We don't have original tart. We only have pomegranate right now. Summer melon and chocolate hazelnut.
Oh, okay. So pomegranate, basically.
You get 3 toppings.
Can I have granola? M&M's.
Oh, so this it?
We got real ice cream on it.
I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna get ice cream. Thank you. I want the ice cream. You end up going here instead? Cam, C-A-M.
What can I get started for you?
All right. I just want a strawberry milkshake. What y'all medium? Got a medium? Oh. And what kind of nuggets y'all got? 5. I mean, what's the count?
Number 30.
Let me get 8. Sweet and sour. Y'all got barbecue too?
Yeah.
And that's it.
You're not gonna be